Today I'm going to show y'all the Lead Lightning 2.0 back office review to show you everything you get, and then and more and more and more. So I'm going to show you everything you get. So this is everything you get. There's a capture page right here, right there. Then that's the video, and that's what your sponsor promoting. So every time you join me, you'll see what I promote. There's a Facebook group, so you click that. You join the Facebook group. There's the coaching calendar, so you click that. Click there. They got coaching calendars right here, so you know when they doing their next training, coaching. And then here we go. Step 1, step 2, step 3, all that. I'll just click. And then you test your link there. This is the photo. So people put in their email address, and they go to step 2. So this is step 2 right here. They go here. This is step 2. Everything in it. Put in the information, and once they buy it, then you get a commission. If they click this one, there's an extra $25. So there you go. So they click that. Let's see what that's at right here. It'll be total $44. So you just made your investment back with that. So we're going to the next one. I'll show y'all. That's the owner right there. You have Gus. Not him. There's 2 videos right there. So watch those if you need help. There's text links, email swipe copies, banners, video marketing if you need help with video marketing, section files, and search engines. That's the new school way. The old school. Well, excuse me. The online way. The online way, which is the more old school, is the 2 things right here. QR codes and the personal calls. So they get you script from that. And then to the next one. I'm trying to do this fast as I can. Okay. There's a video right there. Explain what it is. What it's about. That's a free ass ticket right there again. There you go. Can y'all see that? Yep. There you go. Everything you get from 147. Downtown access, free access to the 2 AI animation academy right there, and a free trial. This is a residual income right there. And everything you get with that, and here's the calculator. So if we'll come up with a number. We'll say we include 11, right? And then 11 again, and 11 again. That's okay. The $60 for the one end, and you get people on there. 11 people. Same thing on the other one. It's a $275, and then $1,000. So that's how much you make, but that's no guarantees with that. So it's gonna be based on your work ethic. So I have to be a little transparent on that part. So there you go. So on the next one. And then you got in the box as a $37 one time with you earn $25 commission. So one of the guys that's in the system will teach you how to use AI. Of course, that's the AI content right there. And let's move on. Oops. All right, that's training right here. There's something like that. Got scheduling, marketing, case studies, training, short banners, and all your bonuses. So you need any help? That's the training right there. That's content. I'm not putting that, but I will show you a little bit of it. But I'm not going to put anything else. That's the content manager. That's add groups, reminders, send, export, search, and settings. And then the other one is the tools, email direct, sample notifications, and we send email. Oh, excuse me, we send system emails right there. There's your buyers list right here. There's your buyers list. $7 buyers, the AA workshop, the Lead Lightning silver $29 thing, and all the other stuff. That's everything in it. I'm trying to do as fast as I can. Alright, my money, which would be your commission. So you'll withdraw your commission from here. to your bank. And then once you upgrade, there's two options right there. The blue one is more beginners, and the red one is more advanced. So choose which one in your budget. So, and there's a video right there explaining it too. And my account, which is you can edit your personal information, coaching bonuses, and more. There you go. And then there's help. So you can ask David for if you need help or anything. This is the AI David. So it's nice. And I guess that's it. This is your leader, Isaiah Primm. I show y'all everything, everything I can show you, what you get when you join. So if you want to take action, the link will be in below the comments, along with my contact information, my Facebook, and more. So if this benefits you, and you're like, oh, okay, he showed me everything, then put the link below, and I'll see you guys next time. Sign up, YouTube family. This is your leader, Isaiah Primm, signing out.